pure brightness, or Qingming, is not only one of China's 24 solar terms, but also an occasion for Chinese people to honor their lost family members.
When the temperature begins to rise and rainfall increases, it is the right time for spring cultivation.
Chinese people will visit the tombs of their ancestors around Qingming to pay respect to the deceased. The whole family will go to the cemeteries with offerings, praying for family prosperity.
These traditions are often accompanied with a more recreational activity, spring outing. The spring sunshine brings everything back to life. The mild temperature and fresh air are calming and stress-relieving, making spring outings a leisure choice for those who lead busy modern lives.